What's up, YouTube? How y'all doing? Game Changer Money here. We back with another video. This video is for the people who like to invest in Cryto in the long term, who feel like the Chronos is gonna take over the world, and that's me. This video is also for people who hate ads whenever they listen to their favorite songs or their favorite podcasts while they're in the gym, at home, on the road, wherever. This is for the people who love Spotify and would love to get a free membership, technically. So what I'm trying to say is this video is for all the people who want to figure out how to put both those together, to show you how to connect your Cryto card to your Spotify account. So whenever you pay your Spotify balance, it automatically invests that money that you was gonna spend on that bill into your Cryto account. It will literally buy you Cryto. So for example, right now, let's just say Cryto stays at 43 cents the rest of the year. Let's just say that. We know it's not. I expect it to go up throughout this year. Cryto's gonna do major things. Let's just say it stays at 43 cents. Spotify account is $10 per month, literally $10 per month. 10 times 12, that's $120. $120 would get you 274 Cryto this year, man. So hey, that's just a free 274 Cryto for you doing something that you already plan on doing. Listening to music, listening to your favorite podcast, all ad free. I'll run through the positives of getting a Spotify account after this, but that's just 274 Cryto free, and that's just being on the you know, just the low end. Spotify free, you get ad breaks, 6 skips per hour. This is the free right here. So you get the ad breaks. Of course, they're gonna spam ads on you. 6 skips per hour. Those of y'all who know, those skips are important, because sometimes sorry music pops up that you just don't want to hear it. So you hit the skip. Next thing you know, you hit skip 6 times within 2 minutes. Now you're here listening to ads. No one likes ads. If you get the basic audio quality, I don't know. Me personally, I can't really tell the difference between the good quality and the bad. That's just me. But me personally, the ads is what is the deal breaker here. And now this is what we're gonna get with the $10 a month. That's gonna be reinvested into your Cryto.com account. If you haven't already signed up for Cryto.com, click the link down below. Sign up right now. What are you doing? You get a premium for free, ad-free music listening, download to listen offline, unlimited skips, on-demand playback, and you can cancel at any time. So enough with the benefits here. Let me just walk you through on how to link your card. It's pretty easy, it's simple, it's not hard. What you want to do, go to Spotify.com, click on your profile up top. Once you click profile, you scroll down, you're gonna want to hit join premium. You should be on the free Spotify plan. You want to scroll down and click join premium. Once you click join premium, it's gonna show you your plan. You're gonna be on the current free, but it's gonna say Spotify premium individual, 1 premium account for 1 month. Start free month today. I already did mine. Start billing date. Mine's gonna be May 6th, so I'll come back on that day and I'll show you the money hitting my Chronos account. I'll show you it, show you the proof that it works, all that fun stuff. But this is what it shows you. Only $9.99 a month plus tax. Cancel anytime. We'll remind you 7 days before you get charged. How nice of you, Spotify. How nice of you. And then after that, you fill in all the information down below. So now, right here, after you fill in your address and all that fun stuff, then it will have the option for credit card, debit card, PayPal, all that fun stuff. You're gonna want to get your Cryto.com card and type in the number on the back on the next screen right here. After you click the credit or debit, then it's gonna ask you for the card number, expiration, security, all that fun stuff, and then you hit start my Spotify premium account once you fill in that information down below. So once you fill it in, it's gonna have like 3 dots. It's gonna process it. Once it recognizes your card, it's gonna put you on the next screen. You're premium now. You're a top dog official. You're ready to go. You're a big dog now. You're ready to listen to ad-free music, unlimited skips, all that fun stuff. And Spotify is gonna invest in Cryto for you every single month until you cancel. Purchase is complete. A receipt for your order. It's gonna give you a receipt number. Will be sent to your email. You will not be charged until after your trial expires. If you change your mind, you can cancel at any time, and it's gonna give you the welcome to premium, play on Spotify, all that fun stuff. That's pretty much it. It's simple. I just walked you through step by step. And once again, if you haven't already created a Cryto.com account, click the link down below. Follow me on my social medias down below as well. I got other stuff down in the description box below. Make sure you take a chance and look at those. I'm helping you guys throughout the years to invest and make more money from crypto, passive income. I'm starting from the bottom too. I'm regular just like y'all. So this channel, as the channel goes, the money goes up with us. So make sure you hit the subscribe button for more tutorials, more ideas. If you got any ideas, put it down below in the comment section. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share. With that being said, we on to the next little side hustle. We on to the next investment. Hopefully Crow goes to the moon soon. We gone.
I told my baby, like it at it. You just can't get at me. The flow is on more than that. I sound you like something. You can't even beat me if I die twice and you can't stand.